if you want to know how strong is this Gorillapod from Joby, and if it can lift this 5 kilo weight, watch this whole video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm going to unbox and review this GripTight ONE GP magnetic impulse from Joby. Now let's do some unboxing. It's packed so tight. Let's see what we have here. Here's my Joby GripTight ONE GP magnetic impulse. Here is some other box. I don't know why. They put all kind of boxes. Selfie stick, empty box. Okay. More stuff inside. Look at that. They put just some nylon. More of that. More. Okay. They put all kind inside. Now let's see what we have here. Now let's open and see what we have inside. Okay, this is part for holding phone, and this is the tripod. Okay, here is this little tripod with these magnetic parts. It looks like very stable, small but stable. You can move all these joints separately. Very nice feature. Now we will take this part. This is remote control. We can take it off. With this remote control, you can hang it anywhere, and you can make with this button, you can turn off and on your camera. Nice feature. This part here, you can open it like this, and then you can use this screw to screw it right here. Okay. Now this tripod is ready to use. Let's put some mobile phone in it. Very nice. You can adjust. Let me see if you can tilt. Yes, you can tilt it. You can make all kind of positions. You can look here how that look like. You can see here. You can bend it. You can tilt it. And you can move anywhere that you want. Very nice features. Now let's try the magnetic part. When you want to put this magnetic tripod to some metal surface, make sure that this magnetic part comes straight on the metal, like this. And voila, it's pretty stable. Pretty nice. Very nice. You can take it off also very easy. Very nice feature from Joby. I like it. I like it a lot. And now we will try to lift this weight with this Gorillapod. Let's try. No, it cannot lift it. Let's try one more time. This is 5 kilo weight. No, it is too heavy. Maybe if it was 1 or 2 kilo, it will lift it. It is pretty strong. You can feel the magnet, but this 5 kilo is too heavy to lift it. I think this Gorillapod GP magnetic impulse is great thing for Joby. For now, I can only recommend it. It has solid quality. It is well made. Everything looks like that will last. It is a sturdy piece of equipment. I hope that will last long time. And I'm pretty satisfied with it for now. So guys, I hope that you enjoy in this quick review. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.